discuss structures of glucose and fructose. We are to discuss D and L notations. What is D and L? This is dextro and levo notations. Actually, this used to explain about the relative configuration of a particular stereoisomers. We'll take here a simplest sugar, that is known as glyceraldehyde. 1, 2, 3. Overall 3 carbon atoms are there. So we can also call it as aldotriose. Now, if I compare this glyceraldehyde with glucose, then what type of structures will be there? Look here. This is the basic structure of glyceraldehyde, where the alcohol groups are on the similar side, right hand side, and this is known as dextroglyceraldehyde. The mirror image of this glyceraldehyde you can see there. Here the hydroxyl group is on the left hand side. So this is your levoglyceraldehyde. Now we will compare the structure of glucose with this. Glucose, let me complete it. This is your levoglyceraldehyde. Glucose CHO, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, and 6 carbons, CH2OH. What we have to compare? We have to see the lower portion of glyceraldehyde, dextro. We'll see here both the alcohol groups are on the same side. So this will be compared to the lower part of the glucose. So this is also a dextro structure. So this is your dextroglucose. If I draw the mirror image of this one, then it will be CHO, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Mirror image, in that case what you will see, all these hydroxyl groups will be on the left hand side. OH, OH, H, and OH. So now the lower part of this one is just like the levoglyceraldehyde. So the name of this compound is here levoglucose. This is what these are actually open chain structures. In previous video we have seen all the chemical properties of open chain structure of glucose. Now there are certain properties which cannot be explained with the help of open chain structure of glucose. So there are certain points that we will discuss. The cyclic structure of glucose. This do not explain certain facts. Won't explain certain facts. In board, a question comes from this part. So you have to study this. The first point, that it do not restore pink color of Skiff's reagent. First thing. And the second, it also used to fail to form hydrogen sulfide addition property as it was shown by aldehydes, but here it is not. Glucose pentaacetate. This is also, it also do not react with hydroxylamine. these all are the certain properties which cannot be explained by the cyclic structures. Actually, glucose, it occurs in two isomeric forms. Two isomeric forms. One is alpha glucose and the second is बीटा ग्लूकोज. दोनों ही क्रिस्टलाइजेशन मेथड से बनाए जाते हैं. इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज 419 Kelvin, whereas its melting point is 423 Kelvin. Okay, and both are obtained by the crystallization of hot and concentrated solution of glucose. Now we have to discuss about the pyranose structure, pyranose and furanose structure. Let us see. An organic molecule in which 6 atoms were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are carbon and the 6th heterocyclic atom is of oxygen and the alternate double bonds are there. This is the structure of pyrene. And when we draw the structure of glucose according to this pyrene structure, then it is called as glucopyranose. We'll see this here now. Before this, we'll draw the alpha structures and beta structures of glucose. CH2OH, I will draw this ring in this way. Here this is one oxygen. We'll draw it here. See the CHO, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th is CH2OH. OH, OH, H, OH, H, OH, H, H. So this is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6th carbon. What we have to see alpha in that structure, the hydroxyl group is on the left hand side and the other one it is there. So here the link occurs here and here between first and 5th carbon. The one side OH is there, the other side is H. This is your alpha glucose. Okay, so when I draw this structure in this form, the first is connected with the oxygen, so it is here, and the remaining part H, OH, the second also H, OH, OH and H, OH again H, and the last one we'll see here CH2OH. This also CH2OH is here and the hydrogen remains here. This is your alpha dextro ग्लूकोज का स्ट्रक्चर है ग्लूको एंड पायरेन की तरह है तो पायरेनोज. This is your alpha glucose pyranose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th carbon atom is there. When we draw the beta structure of glucose, beta, this position used to reverse. It will be C, OH, H, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The remaining part it is as it is, no changes there. And the first carbon and the 5th carbon is linked with the oxygen. So this is your beta glucose. So when we draw the pyranose structure for this beta glucose, it will be like this. Here we will see the change in the diagram. Here alcohol was at the bottom and the hydrogen was top. Here it will become OH and H, remaining H, OH, OHH, OHH and again HCH2OH. So here the position of hydroxyl group is reversed. This is your beta D gluco pyranose. This is about the structure of glucose. Now we will see about the structures of pyranose, about the structure of fructose. fructose. This is also known as fruit sugar. The formula is C6H12O6. Exactly the same formula what glucose is having. In this case, we see the structure if only one difference is there, that it is CH2OH, C double bond O, CH, OH, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th, CH2OH. What difference we'll see in the structure of glucose and fructose? Glucose is having functional group at first position, the aldehyde group was there, and in the fructose the ketonic group is there. This is the difference. Its structure is drawn just like furan. So if I draw the furanose structure of this fructose, it will be like this: O, 5 carbon atoms, and similarly alpha and beta, both the diagrams will be here also. This case also the position of hydroxyl group will be reversed. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Alpha and beta. In this you will see. Okay, for this I will draw CH2OH, OH, OHNH, HOH, HCH2OH. This is the alpha D fructofuranose. जब पायरेन की तरह स्ट्रक्चर था तो पायरानोस, फ्यूरान की तरह स्ट्रक्चर होता फ्यूरानोस. And the last one, hydroxyl CH2OH, OH, H, OH, HOH, H and CH2OH. Here we will see the position of hydroxyl and the CH2OH group is reversed. So this is your beta D fructofuranose. So this was about the structures of furan.